This will be a very short video. Here I have my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which has 256 gigabyte of internal memory, but I have already occupied 245 gigabyte of internal memory, only 11 gigabyte left. So I have used my precious time to delete most of my internal photo and videos on the camera folder, but still there is no free space improvement. What is going on? Let me show you. To successfully recover the free space, you need to go to gallery, then tap this button, then go to recycle bin. Voila, here it is. 1764 images, 168 videos I have deleted are still occupying the space in my phones, and Samsung will not delete this video until it has been here for 30 days. So in order to recover my precious memories, I have to delete these thousands of photos and videos, 1932 exactly, from recycle bin also. I am deleting. Okay, deletion process is going on. I will show you the result afterwards. Deleting is almost complete. Now I am going to file manager again. My files. Yes. Now it is showing 230 gigabyte of occupying memory. So I have recovered 15 gigabyte of free space just by deleted the files from recycle bin, and you can only do this from the Samsung's default gallery app. No other third-party app can do this. This is very important. Thank you for watching this video.